guys, don't mind the mess. This is all set up because I want to change the tuners on my Squire Affinity HSS. It has the stock tuners from the previous owner and I've never taken it off. And I'm going to change it out to this. These are Guyker dopamine locking tuners, which are extremely colorful. You'll be able to see this in the B-roll later. So thank you to Guyker for sending these out. They are traditional locking tuners. You lock them by turning this pinwheel here. You turn it down and then the pin right in the center goes upwards to secure the string. I also wanted to be unscripted because I want to set the record straight. Since the previous owner set these up with a lot of windings and I didn't have a spare set of new strings, I thought I'd try to keep the old strings. To make the tuner swapping process more manageable, I put on a cable to hold the old strings in place while I removed them from the old tuners. Once that was done, it was time to remove the old tuners, and I know I don't have the right tool for the job. That pair of pliers will definitely scratch the metal parts of the bolt threaded bushings. So if you're going to copy me, which I highly recommend you don't, caveat emptor. But even though it scratched my new tuners, I did think it added some distress to remove the veneer of absolute spotlessness, a bit of relicking if you will, and I find that strangely appealing. To be honest, I wasn't 100% sure that these tuners were the right size for the ball hole at the headstock. The ball hole size can vary depending if you're using a traditional or modern spec tuning machines. Traditional tuners will fit into an 11/32 of an inch ball hole diameter, or about 9 millimeters, whereas modern tuners fit into the larger 13/32 of an inch ball hole diameter, which is about 10 millimeters. I didn't take any of the old tuners off to measure the ball hole size, so I was just guessing based on what I read on the internet about the Squire Affinity HSS Strat. Some said it was traditional spec, most said it was modern spec, so to lay the argument to rest, it is modern spec. These tuners fit. To my knowledge, and unless it's a special run or specifically vintage inspired models, Squires are mostly modern spec. And speaking of specs, these Guyker GK07SP locking tuners have a 1:18 gear ratio, which I like. To decode the information, that means it takes 18 turns of the tuning knob for the string post to complete one full rotation.